More than 20 liters them for Zwazwa. They don't seize them with the year saying that people the way they don't put them for the follow-up on top this chapter. This one, it happened now for inside Douala here. For side where they call them Peka 19, Kwata, Ngoma, with the year, say population to make waka for vex. On top problem, say some woman, one can take their land from Ngoma, where according to the book, where the woman gets, land, it then for log base suicide. Tori 2, we go take una enter back for on top this problem for land for Kang Barumbi. Now for inside Kumba, will be promising us we'll go here with the lawyer on top the case he get for talk concerning this land for side for Kang Barumbi. And now so too we go take una, we enter from Mbopi 7 o'clock on Thursday. Fire it burns on Binen Manitin where they just come up for offload them inside motor for 4 o'clock on Thursday. 7 o'clock fire it catch for day. Now so too we go take una enter for inside Bazu now for West Region way for some gando. Some people they can't thief na phone but they be catch one of the thief man as well one of the woman where they take a phone. It talk for we this afternoon. Palava for the 7 political party them two way they don't join up for talk say they want and say may they change the book where in the lookout vote inside we country. We go talk that one plus the team where minister where the lookout water and energy too don't talk say waiting say make population it calm down small say they work plenty for see say make light it no go the loss it go come back inside we country. We go look waiting to where corona talk for we the latest concerning corona inside the whole world and waiting where the corona situation today inside we country. African Nations Cup for handball woman in the draw it already passed for Yaoundé and Cameroon it go play for Group B. The first match they go play against Kenya. All the one them we go bring them for this Good Friday. Big people them talk in the tell we say if you make combi with monkey yawaka stick it no go remain now on top tree. I say if you make combi with monkey yawaka stick it no go remain now for on top stick. Big people them talk it come out now for Ibrahim Dampolio it the look we right for Kano now for Nigeria country people them with the turn back small time. With the salute una for outside the plenty country people them, plenty glad for meet up una. And before we enter for Tori for this afternoon, just for remind we papa them and mommy them, according to book way minister for primary school book and minister for college book, the sign that the talk say school for third term, it go start now for number 12 day inside April. Sabi say that we don't fair talk say na number 6 day where the third term go start, but just now as we Tori enter we hear book we minister Professor Lohan Serge Etundingwa and minister for college book Ma Paulina Lovalyonga the sign it show say na for number 12 day where primary school they go open and at the same number 12 day where college them too they go open. So school in no day again or school no go start for number 6 day as where the school calendar where the minister they be fair put it be fair the show. So mommy them picking this also get small time for Shida Utuna for inside this holiday. Inside Tori for this afternoon country people that will go start for Douala here where people them where they dey for control where they control waiting they control as well people they sell fuel any kind of style inside Douala here they been at the brigade for control they don't catch more than 30 liter them for Zwazwa for corner road according to waiting where one of the big man for on top this control he try for talk for we country people them he tell we say waiting say they so they don't notice and say people they buy super then they mix it with fuel normal fuel SSF where it make and just now where any small mistake fire in the cash and on top that one after the thing happen for Chancliffe when that motor we carry fuel it provoke where plenty people them die too for day these people them for national brigade where they control or to a consign fuel them say they don't be outside and sabi say no be na Douala be the first place no be na town for Douala where they don't start they be don't go for different region them just now they don't land for Douala and they don't talk say the fight it go continue according to them. Now for see as where they go stop all the people them where they sell a fuel them for corner road where they mix fuel them where it even change the color for fuel where any small mistake now fire it go the cash so now they fuel them that where they turn for inside quarter them they take from people them where they make binet for this Zwazwa or you go call them funge for inside Douala here and as we then talk they say na operation where wey e go so dey continue. More than 30 litres dem wey dem don catch am today for inside different operation wey dey make am from different quarter dem for Douala here, as wey tori enter for inside we hear. Inside a quarter where they call am say Peka we take una we go for Peka 19 or na Peka 19 na for Douala here. Place where we go enter just now na Ngoma, as we they call the place for that side. So na problem for land country people them where it don't make am people them for that side. So from Ngoma for Peka 19 them say they come out for make waka for vex. Now for Sika say waiting according to them they try for talk say na some woman one can take their land for that side. So for Goma now for inside the Peka 19 for Douala here, they say the woman get land for Logbesu, but instead the woman don't instead come take na land for that side. So for inside the Peka 19 particular place where they call am say Goma, no sabi whether machine get problem, but I'll get for the enter for inside this one. Yes, now the woman themselves that for inside the Peka 19 now from Goma for Douala here. And this land, as where the people then talk, na big land where they talk say na some particular woman a one can take them. So these people then come out for outside and they talk say even chief from Goma he don't talk say the land na land where any man where they on top he be get he authorized or he don't buy book and he get correct book where the fish done on top their land. So this woman where he the one can worry them according to small investigator who don't hear they try for talk for we say the woman he own land tied to Sesep he dena for Logbesu and Goma for Peka 19 na two different places. Now for Sikawa that way the population come out with a signboard them and they did beg first say they no want see that woman for inside their quarter again. They say before these people they want come out so way they so police people them and gendarme they be enter for inside the quarter knock some people them so they even won't get caught for that people them they just now for on top hospital bed. Now he will provoke the people them too where they come out for talk say no and they try for beg to say main governor he look inside this problem for Sika say they no understand why they go buy land then different person get his own different land book where he no consign Goma he the one come instead drive people them now for on top land from Goma as we tori enter we here. So just now some people they don't on top our hospital beds where they say now uniform people they knock them on Thursday for Sika Palava this land. Make we hear one of them talk for microphone for Ash TC.
Don't come out so because people them don't vex. Them don't vex for sake of say soldiers them don't come for ya. Not people, not all people. Say them down there for hospital. Now we want say, Madame Jo, how we get down a titre foncier. Say near that a titre foncier go for Logbesu, we may not come for ya because we not there for Logbesu, we did that to Ngoma. And Chief Ngoma, he said, he don't talk say, Madame Jo not get something for ya.
And just for Sabi country people them, the land where it cause all this confusion, una go see themselves more time for that side. So for inside the Ngoma, now for Peka 19, as well I don't talk for now. Now the space this where it cause problem with the woman, it don't come for can take and say na land. And a land where plenty people they say they don't just start for bill for day. And according to where we hear and where the chief for Ngoma it talk, he say the people them they buy land for correct way. So no person know the way he get land for the way he go can drive them. So the people they don't talk for them, they continue for do their work. Even as we Caterpillar be don't fair come check other place. Now the woman send Caterpillar where he can bulldoze all the place them. So as we Tori enter we here. But just so sabi as we the year the real land where this woman gets it then for Logbesu and Peka 19 Ngoma na two different places. So the people they beg and they talk to say main governor he put eye on top. Even as we the woman it be fair use uniform people them on top the population on Thursday. So they someone them the day for on top hospital beds as well the talk for here just now. And una go remember on a Thursday we be talk on top this problem for side for Kang Barumbi now for Meme division for Kumba inside the Kumba, we wanna sabi fine. He be then a chapter for land where people they don't sit down for them for plenty year. More than 300 people them. That is talk says on one man, he don't just wake up just now. Where he name na George, he don't just wake up, he come do it in. He dey talk for population, the people that they sit down for the land where they don't build their house them. Say na land, say make all them they come out or they arrange with it back, they buy land. The people that be make waka for vex on Thursday and they be talk why they be make waka for vex for say according to them they be buy the land from chief for Kambarumbi and even notable them the chinda them for that side they sabi the two way they happen but just now side where the man say be come out for talk say na he get land now the thing that way make this population more than 300 of them where they dish done even as when I just some few they be come out for vex on top this chapter it don't surprise even the lawyer where he look at the case with the year say the same this problem he dey for inside courthouse and court he never even fair talk on top the chapter. Make we hear the lawyer wey dey follow up this case. He talk for microphone for Zaibwe.
I want to be very clear, say I will be called by the traditional council chairman of Kambarumbi, where he sit in now as a chief because the chief not there in place. They tell me say he don't hear say some problem they happen for Barumbi about land. Now he draw my attention now before I start watch my Major Prime and Equinox and I actually say na true. Then I realize and say the people them are my clients where already will get a suit for court where Mr. Kema George by direct summons they drag all of them bring them for court. So many people more than 20 something and I think say when I be see the images for screen it was that of an anguished people. It was that of people who are bitterly burnt, you know, with grievances about a man coming overnight for can't take their land where they don't be inside in possession for more than 40 something years. So the real issue now say to the best of my knowledge and way I know, all of these people the way they did inside that land, they don't be in possession of that land for donkey years. And they get their various landlords where they buy from them. And so, even if there was supposed to be an action in court, then the so-called Mr. Kema George, where they bring all these people them for court, be supposed to don't do consultation because he be indigent for Barumbi and he know about people very well.
And Sabi Seb said the lawyer wey dey look at this case for land for Kambarumbi, he be talk and he be get strong talk for Pupumugi and for outside for this particular time for inside country.
Period we dey now a period where the head of state for this republic and every other political factor or actor the struggle for consolidate peace and unity. Now wait that will need the most for this country now. But when we see an individual where he work at the orchestrate the incite chaos, because I know before imagine so you'll see people where they be rational in thinking and reasoning for a morning the hook up start behave like that. It means that something not inside them. Then they talk for parable say when you see frog come out for shaman, it jump for long step them. No say snake enter a hole. So I want just get a conception say they be get an incident where they be provoked by that same man Mr. Kema George where it caused them for raise that kind of alarm. Even when I be follow them up, I be discover and say it was not a public manifestation. They not be the march, they not be the disturb. I be call them where they be calm and say they get right to be in possession of their land for now until court give judgment. But may they make sure say they not defame any man in character and may they not do anything will be tantamount to threat of life.
Good. Now the lawyer that on top case for this land trouble for inside Kambarumbi. We go come out, we enter for another side where Kanekene Day. Bengui will be talk about them, one of their big problem, and the two way the council or the mayor, he don't talk. Now this route where they go from Bengui, Sote today, Moto the dance on top, one of the big problem the way they don't talk and the one, he be then a part of the council session will be happen for inside Bengui, for Momo division for that side, so for Northwest region country people them, and inside the council session, as well the mayor says he talk, talk. He try for talk say na with style wey he use before the council sef he get 84% for their revenue wey they take am for tax. He be get for talk sweet talk with Okada people them and other Benin people them wey they use their place so that money e comot. But they talk say that they hope say maybe even governor he go see whether they fit give Bengwe agri show where he go make am too small thing go enter. But security too they the one time sabi say place e never over quiet the way they expect. Oga Mayor he try for talk for we the secret for backing 84% for income we be getter.
For April 2020. This last year 2020 we defend an administrative budget for 2019 where no be our budget. I want to tell you say we master this one very well because it be our budget. And that is why when you make your budget when you draw a budget when you follow up it will give you better implementation and follow up for realization too. And that is the reason because we master the budget and whether we don't succeed for realize 82% as you talk about. Now I want also for make a saying we get so many things in view from Bengi municipality.
Where the mayor don't talk plenty thing them day where they plan until where they want and say make it happen so that thing them they go for before. Waiting be that thing them.
We will bring farmers together, they come exchange ideas, they learn from others to go better their production. Then we also the hope say in the future, why not from Abbey to my 19? It could be with commercial street. We will line stores alongside the boot road, the boat roads. Open the road may be wide enough so that we get a two-way passage where motor easily bypass. What we'll do and so if somebody enter inside Bengi, the person will really see and say yes, Bengi don't develop. I want to tell you, see now, a moment when you come immediately after you cross Abbey Bridge, you turn to your right for checkpoint, finish the project. As a three-coded road, you don't finish to PEP. So if you like, you walk enough for Borishu, then that's one of the projects where we don't realize from Bengi, we actually don't change the face of Bengi.
We go come out for Bamenda, we go take that, we construct for Bamenda Babaju Road, we enter for West Region. For West Region, na problem for thief, for place when Gando be the happen, where some two boy them, they can't thief people, they phone them, where they be there for inside some Gando, where the people they be the sleep. Now so to the tonton catch one of the boy them, where he be thief a phone, and he thief some woman back for inside the Gando. So population work meet up here, Naki Sote are confused on top this chapter will happen for Bazu for West Region. Make we hear this woman, he talk for we, wait till it happen.
He take my back, for inside my back, my eyeglass be there with my ID card. When for my ID card now, so he had, when you make your ID card, you need to come out. My ID card be there inside with my eye gallery. Small phone so Samsung Galaxy. They make the thing around 3 o'clock for night. Because people they sleep around 2 o'clock. They take up around 3 or 4 people. Then we then them two we don't really sleep. Now the DJ will be there up. Now you tell me say they come for as DJ be shit down. They call for DJ in front. Say we don't really be for your house. Who say you there? For make us make DJ no say no. The person there for inside the house.
Yes, now just so where the thing happen for inside Bazu, for side for West Region country people them just now. We go turn back for Douala for talk. This fireway cash for some Binet money place. Now for site from Bopi country people them firearm it cash 7 o'clock Thursday evening time according to Toriwe enter for we hear how the fire is start. Nothing that we plenty people them they no sabi how the thing manage it happen. But one time country people, commander for army rescue people, they call Inumba, Kadri Abdel, and the intervention big man, Commander Afu Hansel. Them say they be answer present for the place with their boys them for see as we they go lost fire. With the years this store will be the cash fire, so country people them now only for Thursday for 4 o'clock with the man he pack new cargo the way they be just come inside the Bine place. only for she done for evening time they call he again for a phone for tell he say he store he don't burn and all the new thing them where he buy am he don't burn all for inside. Now for outside the fire come out country people them now thing that way people they never fit for answer now this box in that way army rescue people then use them enter for inside the store for continue for lost the fire for say waiting make the fire continue for waka he enter for different place. So the fire the cause so now people them they no sabi waiting way he pass. Just now make we try for see some of the cargo them where they be the thing where they don't burn. Now the people them this way they get the store now the man that way say be confused. All T1 at the CM so the man he did deal with he part them for Okada them and even other machine them. So all thing where he drop pack am for 4 o'clock on Thursday, all thing catch fire. So only for inside the space for 2 hours after we packed in them come out, they only call he say papa, your place it don't burn and all the machine that way be drop put them all thing he burn inside the fire on a Thursday evening time as we to re-enter we here. As we talk, cause for this fire is also there now for backside. Just sabi to say security, it be there too for the place. Trong from Bopi. Sabi say first people the way they come. Now the army rescue people them if we enter for the next element for on top this chapter. Sabi say the first people there they enter now the army rescue people the way that's why they call them one time. They be enter. They reach from Bopi. Sabi say na just neighbor. Ngodi Bopi in no far way. So if they for can late, they no forget any excuse or game. But Sabi say as well they become we be get even gendarme and police people them too they be there all corner. Sabi say na for this kind of place why some people they cry say something they born. Other man if he just enter he picks until he never over spoil he carry and come out. So gendarme them too they be there for make sure say all people there they no be na that kind people there they be na pickpocket them for inside this fire. So now the thing that way pass from Bopi on Thursday 7 o'clock as we Tori enter for inside we here. We take una go for Yawende too when a moto for minister for inside the minister where the local justice and where they keep we seal for country where they born in moto on Thursday. According to Tori we enter we here moto for minister where turn up so they say na some man he can put fire for day then he broke lovers them for some other moto them where they be turn up for before the ministry for justice inside Yawende. Congo side the enter we here say this man he be don't fair come for before ministry. He can't talk say he be get so a case where they no judge and fine. He be the beg say me minister he look on top the case but instead na bodyguard for minister he promise the man say if you no come out he go shoot you with a gun. Now so the man say okay I don't hear I go. The man turn back again this time he can burn na motor for minister then he chakara other people the motor where they be park for day before we one land where they so country people them police they be don't can catch the man for ask question we hear say state council too for court for that side so for inside Yawende. He says he be there for look on top the matter as we they continue for make investigate for this palaver for inside Yawende. Country people them last we go take una remain for Yawende for talk as well gendarme people then to they pick some paddy man with some rope and this the way they use and make pot as we be the enter for Yawende with them and Sabi say when they catch it so they suspect even though he talk say they use them for make pot but they suspect say that if use and two he make country bomb. So gendarme he don't just cash and put them for back counter as well they continue for make investigate for be sure whether the thing will be carry am it be the carry am now for go do work or now for go do some other kind work where it go cause confusion inside Yawende. Now so as we we'll talk for now chapter for politics just now 7 political party people them they don't join up on top one place we enter for inside this party people them just now for talk as we them say they don't join for talk we get 7 of them we get UMS for Pierre Kwemo USDP for Prince Ekoso SDF Honorable O.C. Joshua Bitanab PCRN Honorable Cabral Ibibidede, Professor Maurice Kamto for CRM Party and Les Zipang for MP plus Ma Tomayon Damjoya for UDC. They don't sign book say that they talk everything them like the opposition people them they want time say make they try for look inside that book where they look out vote for we country say waiting make they try for change thing them so that when other vote them they go they come for we country people them they no go cry on top the chapter now for Sikawada we see them with the year say they Ndongamen they be fair deny and say make no hold, but last country people they be so sandai, they hold down Dongamen so they sign book. And one of the people that will be get for day for this Dongamen will no be day, but it talks in a good move where they don't start. Now Dennis Njang, he been a president for Popular Action Party PAP. He don't talk in a good thing for say opposition they talk like one mob, but just now he own make problem and say according to he some of the people that they signed that book now come be them for the regime on top power, so he no be fit for the present even as we be the busybody. On top that one is a way he the one time just now for PAP now for say make peace, he turn back for northwest and southwest. Why did he look for say make democracy too? He continue for waka inside we country, and as well them they play their own side. Barrister Agbobala Felix Nkongo, he be meet with some strong party people. Then we get Minister Gaga and even Honorable Jean-Michel Ninche, plus another big man Ni John Frundi, where Barrister Agbobala Felix he talk with them concerning democracy for inside we country. Sabi say na be the big man for Center for Human Rights and Democracy for Africa, but it is struggle for see as we peace. It go be two among the opposition party, and with them to the fit join up like one they turn up for any other vote the way they can pass inside we country. We go come out just now for talk, say Minister for Defense, where they call it Joseph Betty Asomo, he be get stranger them inside the office on a Thursday. We be get General Defense Chief Staff for Nigeria, Lucky Iyadabo, where he become salute Joseph Betty Asomo now for them for continue for talk. The combi where Cameroon he get them with uniform people them for Buhari a country, so he end with small dash. Nigeria give small dash for Cameroon too he carry big dash he give them too for Nigeria. So now the thing that will happen for inside Mindef he be there on Thursday for A2D country people them big man Kunkuma he be get stranger too he come out now for Queen Elisa country. Now the High Commissioner for Queen Elisa country we don't finish it time for work for country where he go talk from Kunkuma say Arepe me I dey turn me back for house, so I come for can't say my own time don't finish. So Kunkuma to give small dash say when you go back for Queen Elisa country, Sabi say Cameroon be then a peace land and they don't promise say they go continue for the work with Cameroon. Any highway 1B they come be a go toto so turn up strong as we Tori enter for insights we hear. Last on top Ngomna side, just so Sabi Minister where the local water and light for we country Gaston Elundwe Somba and Governor Togman Emmanuel Rene Sadi to they be talk for country on Thursday. They be the one can talk concerning problem with light in the go off come back plenty time people that they suffer for Yawende and other places. Minister don't talk say plenty money, Governor don't put them for say days where they come things them they go better for Cameroon, whether not for light, you know go the worry again for Yawende and the whole country, and even problem too for water where they follow up on top this chapter as we Tori enter for insights we hear. Latest update for Corona, 129,635,218 total case inside the whole world. 73,466,632 people there they done well. 2,828,146 people there that already die inside the whole world since Corona came. For Cameroon, as we Minister Bigiwi on Thursday, Minister the Terry say for inside Cameroon just now, the total Corona people them inside we country as we will go see Cameroon before we continue for year. Minister the Terry say since Corona came for Cameroon last year, 57,337 people they don't confirm say they be get the sick. One day they don't well, 51,769 people them, and one way they don't die since Corona enter Cameroon, 851. Just now, one day when they get Corona on top sick bed, 4,717 people them, as we Minister Dr. Manauda Malachi talk for we, 122 they use oxygen on top beds. If you want to look the percentage, 13.5 as we Minister talk, and percentage for put the well, now 90% as we Oga Manauda Malachi, he give we on top this chapter for Corona inside we country. And for Ivory Coast, on Thursday, 437 people they test them positive, 539 people them well, 3 people them die, 3,286 they on top sick bed with corona for Ivory Coast as well the talk, 44,326 total since corona enter for Ivory Coast where they don't catch them, 40,793 people them they don't well, and 247 people them they do already die for Ivory Coast since corona enter for the country. People them Nigeria for Thursday, 106 new cases where they confirm, but since corona enter 162,997 people they do already get the sick, 151,708 people they don't well, and 2,058 people they don't die for Nigeria since corona enter for the South Africa for Thursday, 1,294 people they confirm and positive for corona, but sabi second people them since corona enter South Africa, 1,549,451 people they don't catch the sick, 1,474,826 people them they don't already well, and 52,897 people they don't die for South Africa since corona enter for the country. People them. Now just so for now, as so now don't see the update for corona for inside the whole country. Now for that side, say we will surely finish story for this afternoon. This Good Friday afternoon, before we come out, we get this case for this speaking will be announced. Nabu Glory with the talk say don't loss, and since we come out house, family in never see Madam Liche Serial Edibeg, any man we don't see this speaking, 675-866-407, 653-533-932. Number them for call. If you take the picking go for any gendarme or police office where they for corner, or you bring them for Equinox Story House, they say plenty dash it wait you. Once a big thank you for Danny Warren Zede, we put camera for me before this afternoon. Thank you, Francis Boyum for backside. Malice, na the make IDCV for Facebook Live and after for YouTube. Manadine, na be the give image for this side. Happy Good Friday, happy Easter in advance. Country people them, if Papa God agree, we go get PG News debate on Saturday, 12:30, 1:30. We return back for some of the strong thing them for inside the week. Una hold on tight.